Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 13th, 2025, and we're diving into PG&E's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. PG&E has released some interesting numbers, and I'm excited to break them down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. PG&E reported total operating revenues of $24.4 billion for 2024. How does this compare to previous years, and what does it tell us about the company's performance?
PG&E's revenue remained relatively stable compared to 2023, which was $24.4 billion as well. This stability is a positive sign, especially considering the challenges in the energy sector. The company has managed to maintain its revenue stream while also improving its operational efficiencies.
And what about profitability? The GAAP earnings per share for Q4 2024 came in at 30 cents, while the non-GAAP core earnings per share were 0.31 cents. How do these figures align with expectations?
The non-GAAP core EPS of 31 cents met the analysts' forecast, which is a positive outcome. This indicates that PG&E is effectively managing its core operations, excluding non-recurring items. The operating cash flow also saw a significant increase to $8.0 billion, up from $4.7 billion in 2023, highlighting strong cash generation capabilities.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. PG&E has been focusing on operational efficiencies. They've reported a 4% reduction in non-fuel operating and maintenance costs for 2024. How significant is this achievement?
This is quite significant. PG&E exceeded their target of a 2% reduction, achieving a 4% cut in non-fuel O&M costs. This translates to over $200 million in savings annually, which can be reinvested into the business or returned to shareholders.
Looking ahead, PG&E has updated its 2025 earnings guidance. What can investors expect?
PG&E has increased its non-GAAP EPS guidance for 2025 to a range of 148 to 152 cents, up from the previous range. This reflects confidence in their strategic initiatives and operational improvements. Additionally, their equity needs are fully satisfied for their ambitious $63 billion capital plan through 2028, which is a strong indicator of financial health.
Strategic initiatives and risk management. PG&E has been proactive in managing risks, particularly related to wildfires. Can you elaborate on their recent initiatives?
Absolutely. PG&E has completed 366 miles of system hardening, including undergrounding power lines and strengthening poles in high-risk areas. This is part of their long-term strategy to mitigate wildfire risks, and they've achieved a second consecutive year without major wildfires caused by their equipment.
They've also made strides in customer growth and infrastructure. What are the highlights there?
PG&E connected nearly 14,000 new customers to their electric system, which is about 30% more than planned. They also signed a $15 billion loan guarantee with the U.S. Department of Energy to finance grid modernization projects, potentially saving customers up to $1 billion through lower-cost financing.
And what did the CEO have to say about these developments?
CEO Poppe emphasized their commitment to delivering safe, affordable, and resilient energy. She highlighted their progress in stabilizing energy bills and expanding access to clean energy, which aligns with their long-term vision.
Key takeaways. In summary, PG&E has delivered a solid performance for 2024, meeting earnings expectations and setting a positive outlook for 2025. Their focus on operational efficiencies and risk management is commendable. John, any final thoughts?
PG&E's strategic initiatives and financial discipline position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of the capital plan and continued risk mitigation efforts.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on PG&E's performance in the comments below.